Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock all characters within the Tekken 3 game. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to unlock all of the characters that are available within the Tekken 3 game, you will need to beat the game multiple times. In order to unlock the Dr. Bosconovitch character, you will need to collect the bronze, silver and gold keys within the Tekken Force mode by completing it 3 times. Then you will need to play it one more time, and after you beat the boss of the stage, you will be taken to an underground cave where you can defeat Dr. Bosconovitch. You can also unlock the Tekken Ball mode and the character Gone by beating the game with all characters once. To unlock the theater mode, you will need to beat the game in arcade mode with all of the 10 characters that are available to you at the beginning. You also have other characters that you can unlock by beating the arcade mode without getting defeated even once to unlock the following characters. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unlock all of the characters that are available within Tekken 3 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.